Hello guys, uh, Merry Xmas and Happy New Year. All right, today we are going to do a live trade of our last strategy. I've got some people that say I should instead for test instead of back test, and today I want to do a forward test, which is taking trades live trade. As you can see, we are in a live position right now on this crash 1000 using our entry requirement, which is first of all this one should be at level 10, then it should be a crossover here. So you see we just entered that trade, even though now is a bit late. We should take an entry from here. And remember, we're taking 5 or 10 candles already, which means around here we should be done. Because I entered late, I will hold beyond that. Okay, so just stick to the rules and regulations and be good to go. So try to watch this video to the very end so that you do not miss what I'm going to dispatch in this video. And also, if you are new to the channel, please guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and also comment on the comment section if you like this video. Right, share to your friends. This is my VIP strategy. You could see I'm doing video on it over and over again so that you do not joke with it. You don't want to joke with this strategy. If you are not making money with this strategy, then something is wrong somewhere. Okay, after all, you see here you could have made some profit over here as well. You see that you can make money over here before the spike came down, and now we are in another trade. Okay, and we are already gone after only 5 candles that we should go, but we are going to hold because I entered late, so I'm going to hold longer and longer. You could see that that's what I've got today so far on this indices. This is what I've got today so far trading this strategy. All right, so that is just simple thing about that. So let me check boom 1000 to see if I can get another entry already. This one already, sorry about that, this one already moved so far away, already gone, and you could see how it played out also successfully. I missed the entry, I missed it. So you see that it's played out successfully. And before I forget, you can join our Telegram channel where I drop free signals and paid signals as well. So this is a Telegram channel. This is a free channel. You can see we take entry here. We took this entry on crash 1000, sorry, on crash 300, and we made some massive profit. We made massive profit on that. Okay, this is free channel. You can join here, check on the video description, and you will see the link to join this page, and you will be receiving free signals from time to time. You can join the VIP as well. The VIP is open. This is the trade we take today on the VIP. These are the trade we took today on the VIP, and you could see how we are smashing take profits over and over and over and over again. Simple as that. All right guys, that is that. Okay, you can join this group using the link on this video description. All right, and you want to open your trading account. You can open it. Check on the video description, a link there to create your account is there. You can create your account and start trading boom and crash. Okay, very simple as that. You don't want to miss out. Now let me check if I'm seeing another entry. I want to just this trade also, we took it as fast. We took this trade as early as, and we have moved all this way. We took that trade from the very beginning of the uptrend. We took it at the very beginning of this uptrend. Yes, where do we take the entry? We took the entry right here. And what happened? We are still in massive profit. We are massive profit. Even now we are still in massive profits. Okay, that is this one already go beyond. So let us check other. We check boom 300. I want to see if I will see up this one too already gone. We took this trade. I gave this trade on our end and a free channel for us to take, and you could see that I told them to sell boom 300. Okay, and I told them to hold it to hold that trade because we know we are going to go far distance. We're going to go far distance. I tell them to hold it. Okay, so that, so this is just simple things we are doing right over here. So to tell you that we are doing the right things, we don't want to mess with this. Let me check on crash 300 and see if we can see a good entry. Now this is crash 300. Let us see. I'm having bad network. Uh let me do what on my network. This is crash 300 and already the entry has been taken. We did not take this entry, we missed it, and right now we should not enter this market at this point. If you're entering at this point, we are going to taking just few candles, maybe taking like 5 to 10 pips, and you get out of the market. Okay, remember this crash 300 is very volatile. Yes, it is very volatile. That is simple movement. You see that this little movement like this would have cost you lots of dollars if you're using even the low size. So you should be very careful while trading this crash 300 and boom 300. Though I love to trade them because of their volatility. Okay, so no entry right here. This one as well. So for those that were asking me how to do this, how to, what is it called, how to add this crash 300 and 300 on your chart, it's very simple. We are in a loss right here already. Let me check. We are in a loss here. What happened? Let us see. All right, this is a spike happened right here. A spike happened, but guess what? If we are taking five candles, we should be having out already by now. But we are still not going to close this trade. We are still going to hold it because first of all, I told you guys when a spike caught you, you have to check on a higher time frame to see what is happening there. So let us go. Let us do that live right here. Let us do that live here. Now here is my M15. What am I seeing here? Why am I holding this market? First of all, I see that there is something like this. I call it, this is a trend. This is also a trend. So the market is already on my downtrend, my as in lower level. So I should expect the market to come out over to this point, at least to this level before more drop. Okay, so this more reason I'm not going to close this trade right now. All right, I'm not going to close it. And also you see that we are see at this oversold level, so I'm not going to close that market right now, even though I'm in loss. Okay, so that is how I'm doing it. Now back to what we are saying. To add this to add other APS to your chart, just come on, click to this plus button here. Click on this plus button right here. Now you, at this point, let me do some things. Let me delete some things so that you will see how I do it. Let me delete those pairs 300, and let me delete them now. So if I come there now, if I click on that plus button there, I will see I will see crash and boom. I will click on it and I will see this list here. So what do I do next? I click on each one. I click on it, it will leave here and it will enter my quote list. I will click again, it will leave here and enter my quote list. So if I come here now, I can go down and I will see them, see them right down at this. I'll see them here. So that's how you add any new indices, any other indices you want to add to your quote list. Very simple as that. Okay, that is how simple it is. I'm just trying to see if I can get another entry position from another pair. Let us take more trades. I'm not seeing another entry market here to take as a live trade, so that we see it, that we don't joke right here. We do not joke here. This is a premium strategy and we don't joke right here, guys. We're not joking here. We don't joke right here, guys. So this is just it, guys. Let me not take your time. So let me show the settings. Here the settings, guys. On the main chart we have the 11 moving average, linear weight, close 4 pixels of purple. The second one is moving average 21, 0 linear weight, close 4 pixels of black. The next one is your first indicator. I have RSI there, 12 close. My background color, I choose level 10 and level 90. Level 50 is my TP if you want to use that. And I will now add another moving average, period 1, shift 0, exponential, close, and I choose 4 pixels of black. Alright, so that is just it. Guys, go ahead and make the market. Enjoy. And remember to subscribe to the channel and also to like the video. Alright, see you in the next video. And happy prosperous new year.